So exercise number 5.2, first problem. It is given the value of a is equals to 7 and the value d is equal to 3 and the value n is equals to 8 and an we have to find. What is the value of an? We have to find. So here, by using the formula in order to find the value an, so an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So the value of an we don't know. An is equals to the value of a we can substitute as 7 plus n minus 1. What is the value of n? N is 8 minus 1 into d is 3. So that will be 7 plus 8 minus 1 is 7 multiplied by 3. So 7 plus 21 is 28. So the value of an is 28. By substituting the value formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, by the given values, the value of an is 28. The value of an is 28. Second problem. So second problem, it is given that the value of a is minus 18 and the value of d we don't know, and it is given the value of n is equals to 10 and the value an is equals to 0. So by using the same formula, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an we know value 0, the value of a is minus 18 plus n value will be 10 minus 1 into d we don't know, put d as it is. So 0 is equals to minus 18 plus 9d. So this minus 18 when it goes to this side it becomes plus 18 is equals to 9d. So 9d is equals to 18. So the value of d is equals to 2. The value of d is equals to 2. The value of d is equals to 2. So in the same way, when it comes to the third problem, it is given that the value of a we don't know and the value of d they have given as minus 3 and the value of n they have given as 18 and the value an is equals to minus 5 and the value of an is equals to minus 5. So by using the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, in order to find the value of anth term we can use this formula. Okay, anth term is this formula. So an we have minus 5 is equals to, what is the value of a we don't know, so a is nothing but first term we don't know, plus n is nothing but 18th term minus 1 into, what is the d is minus 3, d value is minus 3. So minus 5 is equals to a plus 17 into minus 3. So minus 5 is equals to a minus, so it becomes 17 3 is 51. So 51. A minus 51 is equals to minus 5. Can I write? I am writing this term this side and this term this side. LHS to RHS and RS to LS. Just I am interchanging it. So the value of A is equals to minus 5 plus, when it comes to other side, minus 51 will become plus 51. So the value of A will be 46. So third one we have completed. Let's move on to fourth one. Fourth problem, it is given the value of a is equals to minus 18. The value of a is equals to minus 18.9 and the value of d is 2.5 and the value n we don't know, and an it is given as 3.6. an is 3.6. So by using the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, so value of an is 3.6 is equals to value of a is minus 18.9 plus n we don't know, n minus 1 into, what is the d is 2.5. So 3.6 is equals to minus 18.9 plus 2.5n minus 2.5. So minus 18.9 minus 2.5 it becomes minus 21.4 plus 2.5n. This is same 3.6. So 21.4 plus 3.6, it becomes, so 25.0 is equals to 2.5n. So the value of n is equals to 25 by 2.5. You can simplify it. Okay. And fifth one. Fifth one. We have the value of a is 3.5 and the value d is 0. So the value of n is 105 and the value an we don't know. So by using the same formula, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is the value of an we don't know. An is equals to, what is the value of a? 3.5 plus n minus 1. N is 105 minus 1 into. What is the value of d? 0. It will be very easy. Why? Because so an is equals to 3.5 plus something multiplied by 0 makes something 0, right? So an is equals to 3.5. An is equals to 3.5. So in order to 105 minus 1 is 104. 104 into 0 is nothing but 0, right? So directly I have given the direct step over here. So second bit, first bit of the problem has been completed. In the second bit, choose the correct choice in the following and justify. So first one is given in that A bit is the 30th term of an AP we have to find. 30th term under T30, right? T30 we have to find. So given AP series is 10, 7, 4 and so on. 10, 7, 4 and so on. So solution 10, 7, 4. So these are in AP. We have to find whether it is in AP or not. So in that T1 is equals to A is equals to 10, right? The first one is T1 is given, this is nothing but AP, and T1 is equals to A is equal to 10, and T2 is equals to A plus D is equals to 7. In order to find the common difference D, we know the formula T2 minus T1, right? T2 minus T1. So T2 is the second term minus first term. So second term will be 7 minus T1 is first term is 10. So it becomes the common difference D is minus 3. D is minus 3. So we have got the value D and we know the first term A. So by substituting the value T1 is equals to A is equals to same as it is 10. T2 is equals to A plus D is equals to, what is the value of A is 10 plus what is the value of D we got? Minus 3. So that is equals to 10 minus 3 is nothing but 7. So 7, so it's in AP. So here what we have to find, so T30 is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, right? Tn formula? Sorry. Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So T30 is equals to A plus 30 minus 1 into D. So A plus 29 into D. So T30 is equals to, what is the value of A? We got as 10 plus 29 into, what is the value of D? Is 7. 10 plus 29 multiplied by 7. 22 not 3. That is 230. sorry, the value of d substitution, there's an error. I have to the value of d as 7. This is not the common difference, it's nothing but second term. So here d is 2. So Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into t. So here we have to find T30 term. T30 is equals to a plus 29 into t. So the value of a will be 10 as it is plus 29. What is the value of d? Is minus 3. Is minus 3. So 10 minus 29 multiplied by 3. 87. So it will be minus 77. So T30 is equals to minus 77. Minus 87 plus 10 is minus 77, right? So minus 77 is the answer. So you get the second one. Second one, it is given that in the series arithmetic progression is given. So AB is minus 3 comma minus 1 by 2 comma 2 comma so on. Okay. So here what we have to find? We have to find a nth value. Okay. A nth value we have to find. T11th value we have to find. T11 is equals to, so therefore A is equals to minus 3 and common difference D is equals to T2 minus T1 is the formula. What is T2? So something like T1 is equals to A is equals to minus 3, T2 is equals to A plus D is equals to minus 1 by 2. So D is equals to T2 minus T1 into minus 1 by 2 minus T1 is minus 3. So minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 3 is plus 3. So minus 1 plus 6 by 2. So that will be 5 by 2, right? Will be 5 by 2. So the common difference will be 5 by 2. So in the same way, what we have to find in the given question, he asked us to find the 11th term of an AP. So what is T11? T11 is equals to A plus 20, right? So value of A will be minus 3 as it is plus 10 into what is the value of D? Is 5 by 2. So that will be minus 3 plus 2 ones. 2 5s, 5 5s, 25. So T11 is equals to minus 3 plus 25 will be 22 plus 22 plus 22 is the answer. The option will be B. In this third bit, I'll pick it off. So in third bit, we have in the following ABs find the missing term in the boxes. So the given first one is 2 comma, second value we don't know, and third value will be 26. This is in AB and we have to find the box value. So we know T1 is equals to A is equals to 2, T3 is equals to A plus 2D. Why? Because here I am writing is direct. So Tn is equals to or An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So T2 is equals to A plus D is equals to second value, or T3 is equals to A plus 2D is equals to third value. So T3 is nothing but, so T or An is nothing but An is A plus n minus 1 into D. So T2 is equals to A plus 1D. T3 is equals to A plus 3 minus 1 is 2D. So in the same way, we know A as T1 is equals to A is equal to 2 and T3 is equals to A plus 2D, it will be 26. T1, T2, T3, right? So we know A is equals to 2, A plus D, sorry. So we know this is the first equation. A plus 2D is equals to 26 is the second equation. Substitute the value of 2 in equation 2. So the value of A will be 2 plus 2D is equals to 26, right? So 2D is equals to 26 minus 2, right? When plus 2 it goes to other side, it becomes minus 2. So 2D is equal to 24 and the value of D will be 12. The value of d will be 12. Sorry, we missed the concept over here. So once again I am doing the same problem. Why? Because I would only found the value of d and we have to substitute the second value, right? So I am doing again. So 2 comma dash comma 26 is the problem, right? So there may be some direct steps. Look here, t1 is equals to a is equals to 2, t3 is equals to a plus 2d is equals to 26. So 2 plus 2d is equals to 26, 2d is equals to 24, d will be 12. So t2 is equals to a plus d, we have to find. What is the value of a? A is 2. 2 plus, what is the value of d? Is 12. So what is the value of 2 plus 12? Is 14. 14 is nothing but t2. So here the value will be 14. Why? Because t2 is nothing but a plus d, right? So a value will be 2 and d value will be the common difference 12. So 12 plus 2 is nothing but 14. 14 is nothing but t2. So the boxed value is 14. The second term is 14 in the given arithmetic progression. So when it comes to second one, so dash comma 13 comma dash comma 3. So we don't know first one and we don't know third one. We know only second and fourth term. So we know the formula t2 is equals to first term, second term, a plus d is equals to 13, right? And fourth term t4 is equals to a plus 3d is equals to 3, right? So this is the first equation and this is the second equation. So by segregating or by solving the equation 1 and 2, a plus d is equals to 13, a plus 3d is equals to 3. So by subtracting this, a and a get cancelled. So d minus 3d is minus 2d is equals to 13 minus 3 is nothing but 10. So the value of d will be minus 5. So the value of d will be minus 5. So the d value will be minus 5. So in the same way, what we have to find? We have to find the first one and third term. So d we got. So t1 is equals to a, right? So in order to find the value of a, in any of these two equations we have to substitute. So a plus d is equals to 13, right? So the value of a we don't know. A plus, what is the value of d? Is minus 5. Minus 5 is equals to 13. So a is equals to 13, minus 5 it goes to other. So in order to make you understand, I am not writing the direct steps. So a minus 5 is equals to 13. A is equals to 13 plus 5. So the value of a will be 18. 18. So here the value of a will be 18. And t third term, so t3 is equals to a plus 2d we have to find. What is the value of a? A we know as 18 plus d is 2 into what is the value of d? Common difference d is minus 5. So minus 5 we got. So 18 minus 10, it will be 8. So t3 will be 8. So it is decreasing to the 13 has become 3. So 18 has become 13 and 13 has become 8. It is a decreasing arithmetic progression. Understood? Let's move on to third problem. Given third one, the arithmetic series is 5 comma dash comma 9 1 by 2 is the question. So we have to find the second and third term in the given arithmetic progression. In order to say this is an arithmetic progression, what is the first term? T1 is equals to a is equals to 5 and t4 is equals to a plus 3d is equals to 9 1 by 2. 9 1 by 2. So this is the first equation and this is the second equation. So t1 is equals to a is equals to 5. We have to substitute in the second equation. So we are for that I am directly taking the second equation, that is a plus 3d is equals to 9 1 by 2. A plus 3d is equals to 9 2s 18. 18 plus 1 9 2 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So it will be 19 by 2. A is equals to 19 by 2. Sorry. So here the value of A directly I am substituting, that is 5 plus 3D is equals to 19 by 2. So 3D is equals to 19 by 2 minus 5. So 3D will be 19 minus 10 by 2. Why? Because I am cross multiplying. So 3D will become 19 minus 10 is 9 by 2. Directly I am cancelling this. So the value will be of D will be 3 by 2. The value of D will be 3 by 2. In the same manner, we have to find the second and third term. So T2 is equals to A plus D is the formula, right? What is the value of A? Is 5. Plus what is the value of D? Is 3 by 2. So 10 plus 3 is nothing but 13 by 2. So T2 we got. In the same way, T3 is equals to, what is the T3 formula? A plus 2D, right? So A plus 2D, what is the value of A? Is 5. So 5 plus 2 into, what is the value of D? 3 by 2. 3 by 2. So 2 I am cancelling directly here. So 5 plus 3 will be 8. So T3 will be 8. T3 will be 8. Here this will be 13 by 2 and this will be 8. Got it? Third one is given, and when we move to fourth one. Fourth one, given question is minus 4 comma dash comma dash comma dash comma dash comma 6. So here we know that T1 is equals to A is equals to minus 4, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. T6 is equals to A plus 5D is equals to 6. So minus 4 plus 5D is equals to 6. So 5D will be 6 plus 4. Okay, minus 4 it comes to other side, plus it becomes plus 5D is equals to 10. So the value of D will be 2, right? So the value of D will be 2. So in the same way, T1 we got T2. T2 is equals to A plus D. What is the value of A? Is minus 4 plus what is the value of D? Is 2. So T2 is equals to minus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 is plus minus 2. So T3 is A plus 2D. So value of A will be again minus 4. By substituting the value of A as minus 4 plus 2 into what is the value of D is 2. So minus 4 plus 4, the value will be 0. So here we got the value 0 and the value of T2 we got as minus 2. In the same way, we have to find the value of T3 and T4. So here T1, T2, T3, T4. T4. So T4 is equals to A plus 3D. So the value of A will be again minus 4 plus 3 into what is the value of D again? D is 2. So D is 2. So it becomes minus 4 plus 6 will be 2. So the value of T4 will be 2. So 2. And T5, can you do it? Can you do it? T5 is equals to what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. So A plus 4D. So what is A? Is minus 4 plus 4 into D is again 2. So it will be minus 4 plus 4 to 8. So it will be 4. So T5 will be 4. T5 will be 4. T5 will be 4. Okay. In the same way, 51 dash comma 38 comma dash comma dash comma dash comma minus 22 is a given question. So here T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. So T6 will be minus 22 and T2 will be 38. So what is T2? A plus D is equals to 38. A plus 5d is equals to minus 22. So by subtracting these both get cancelled. So minus 4d is equals to 60. So the value of d will be 60 divided by 4. 2 2s, 2 30s, 2 1s, 2 15s. So the value of d will be 15. What is the value? So minus 15, minus 15. Okay. What is the value? In order to find the value, first value, we can substitute in any of these two equations. Something like a plus d is equals to 38 is the first equation. So by substituting the value of d as minus 15 in this, what we get? A plus of minus 15 is equals to 38. A is equals to 38 plus 15. So 38 and 15. So the value of a will be 53 and a will be 53. We got this as 53. And what is this? T1, T2, T3. T3 is nothing but a plus 2d is equals to So what is the value of a? T3, right? So yes. So T3 is equals to, what is the a value? 53 plus 2 into d value is minus 15. So T3 is 53 minus 30. So T3 will be 23. T3 will be 23. T4 will be a plus 3d. What is the value of a? Is 53. Directly substituting T 53 plus 3 into, what is the value of d? Is minus 15. So minus 15. So 53 minus 45. 53 minus 45. It will be 8. So T4 will be 8. T4 will be 8. And in the same way T5. A plus 4d, right? What is the value of a again? A, you know, 53 plus 4 into, what is the value of d? Is minus 15. So 53 minus 60 is minus 7. Is minus 7. T5 will be minus 7. T1, T2, T3, T4, T5. Okay, we got T1, T3, T4, T5. Okay, and then next fourth one. So here in the fourth one, in which of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18, so on is 78. So what is that? 3, 8, 13, 18, so on is 78. So 78 in this is nth term, last term is 78. Okay, got it right? So by using the formula, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is 78. 78 is equals to a value will be 3 plus n minus 1 into, what is the value of d we have to find. So here d can I write directly? 8 minus 3 is nothing but 5. Okay, so 78 is equals to 3 plus 5n minus 5. N into 5 is 5n, minus 1 into 5 is 5. So 78 is equals to 5n minus 2. So 5n is equals to 78 plus 2. So 5n is equals to 80. n is equals to 80 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 3, 5, 6 are 30. So the value of n will be 16. Okay, in the same way, let's move on to problem number 5. In the fifth question, it is given that find the number of the terms in each of the following AP. Find the number of the terms, okay, in each of the following AP. So Tn we have to find. Sorry, n we have to find, right? Yeah. Fifth one, first bit is given that the given series is 7, 13, 19, so on is 205. So here the T1 is equals to A is equals to 7, T2 is equals to A plus D is equals to 13. So the common difference D is T2 minus T1, right? So what is T2 is 13 minus T1 is again 7. So D is equals to 13 minus 7 is 6. 13 minus 7 is 6. So we have got the value D. So by using the formula, An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is 205 is equals to, what is the value of A? Is 7 plus n we have to find n minus 1 into, what is the value of D we got? 6. So 205 is equals to 7 plus 6n minus 6. 205 is equals to 1 plus 6n. 6n is equals to 204. N is equals to 204 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24. So the value of n will be 34. So n number of terms are n is 34. There are 34 terms in between 1 and 205. 34 terms. 34 terms. The same way, second one. Fifth bit, second one. It is given that 18, 15, 1 by 2, 13, so on is minus 45 or minus 47. Yes, minus 47. Yeah, is in AP. So here T1 is equals to A is equals to 18. T2 is A plus D is equals to 15, 1 by 2. So in the same way, D is equals to T2 minus T1 is the formula. So by substituting the value of T2 as minus 15, 1 by 2 minus T1 as 18. So this is a mixed fraction. Okay, 15 ones are 15, 15 to the 30, 30 plus 1 is 31. 31 by 2 minus 18. So 31 minus 36 by 2. 18 to cross multiplication. So minus 5 by 2. So the value of D will be minus 5 by 2. We got the value of D as minus 5 by 2. By using this value of D and value of A is 18, in the equation An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is the value of An? Is minus 47. So minus 47 is equals to, what is the value of A? Is 18. 18 plus n minus 1 into D value we got as minus 5 by 2. So minus 47 is equals to 18. And so here n into minus 5 by 2 is minus 5 by 2 n. 5 by 2 minus into minus is equal plus 5 by 2. So minus 47 is equals to minus 5n by 2. Okay, plus 18 plus 5 by 2. 82 is 36 plus 5 by 2. It will be 41 by 2. Okay, 41 by 2. So minus 5n by 2 as it is, minus 5n by 2 as it is, minus 47, minus 47. So here it becomes minus 47 is equals to minus 5n plus 41 by 2, right? Common 2 is common over here in the denominators, so multiply by 1, this is cross multiplying. Minus 5n plus 41 is equals to, so it becomes 47 2's 94, 94 minus 94. Okay, so minus 5n is equals to minus 94 minus 41, minus 5n is equals to 5, 12 125, n will be minus and minus get cancelled, n will be 125 by 5, 5 ones are 5 to the 10, 2 5 5s are, so the value of n will be 25. So in between 18 and minus 47 there are 25 terms, there are 25 terms. So sixth one, so here sixth one, so in this check whether minus 150 is a term of an arithmetic progression 11 comma 8 comma 5 comma 2 is a question. So the what is the given arithmetic progression sequence? 11 comma 8 comma 5 comma 2 and so on. So here we know the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is the value of an? An we have minus 150 is given in the question, is equals to what is the value of a is nothing but, so in order to find this we have to find this, right? Use this entire formula, right? So in order to do that, so we know a is equals to 11, d is equals to t2 minus t1, t2 is nothing but 8, 8 minus 11, so the value of d will be 3 minus 3. So by substituting this value of a and the value of d in this equation, a and we know as it is, it is 150. So here I am writing the formula again. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, in order to make you understand. So an we know minus 150, right? In the question, minus 150 is equals to, what is the value of a is 11, 11 plus n minus 1 into d. So n minus 1 into, what is the value of d we got? Minus 3. So minus 3, so minus 150 is equals to 11 minus 3n plus 3, minus 150 is equals to minus 3n plus 14. So minus 3n is equals to minus 150 minus 14. Okay, okay. So minus 3n is equals to minus 164, n is equals to 164 by 3. So 3 1s are 3 5s are 1. So the direct value will be minus 164 by 3 is the answer. Okay, n value will be 164 by 3. In the same as 7th one. In the seventh question, it is given that find the 31st term of an arithmetic progression whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73 is given. So it is given 11th term is 38. So T11 is 38 is a given question, and T16 is nothing but 73 is the question. 73 is the given conditions. Okay, here we know that T11 is equals to, we know that the formula T11 is equals to a plus 10, d is equals to 38, right? 38. So T16 is equals to a plus 15d is equals to 73. So by subtracting these two equations, a and a get cancelled, So 10d minus 50d is minus 5d is equal to 38 minus 73 is minus 35. So the value of d will be 35 by 5 is 7. So the value of d will be 7. D will be 7. So in any of the given two equation we have to find substitute the value of d in order to get the value of a. So I am taking a plus 10d is equal to 38. A we don't know, a plus 10 into what is the value of d is what 7. 7 is equals to 38. So a plus 70 is equals to 38. A is equals to 38 minus 70. So a is 70 minus 38. 12. Sign will be minus. So the value of a will be minus 12. D will be 7. So what we have to find? T 11th term and T 31st term. So T 31 is equals to a plus 30d, right? So what is the value of a will be minus 12 plus 30 into what is the value of d is 7. So that will be equal to minus 12 plus 7 is 21, 210. So that is equal to 210 minus 12. It becomes 8. 8. So 108. 108. Okay. Arithmetic progression consists of 50 terms in which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. So here what is there? The third term is 12 is given. 8th one he was given third term. Third term is 12 and given the last term 50th term is 106 is the last term. So there are 50 terms in the given series they have said, right? So in that a plus 2d is equals to 12 and a plus 49d is equals to 106 minus 47d is equals to 94. So the d will be 94 by 47 minus. Okay. D will be 2. D will be 2. So what is given? Third term is 12 and 50th term is 106. We have to find T 29th term. T 29th term is A plus 28D. What is the term A? A we have to find it, right? So in order to find the value of A, I am substituting here A plus 2D is equals to 12. A plus 2 into what is the value of D is 2 is equals to 12. A plus 4 is equals to 12. The value of A will be 8. So what we have to find? A 29th term is A plus 28D is equals to value of A is 8 plus 28 into D is 2. So 8 plus 28 2s 56. 8 plus 56 64 is the answer. A 29th term is 64 is the answer. Okay. In the same way, ninth problem. In the ninth problem, it is given that if the third and the ninth term of an arithmetic progression are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of arithmetic progression is 0? Which term of an arithmetic progression is 0? We have to find it. Okay. So given ninth one, by understanding the given question, here the third term and the ninth term are given. The third term and the ninth term are given. So here the third term T3 is equals to 4 given, and T9 is minus 8 they have given. So by this we can get T3 is equals to A plus 2D is equals to 4, and T9 is equals to A plus 8D is equals to minus 8. A plus 8D is equals to minus minus plus. These both get cancelled. So minus 6D is equals to 12. So the value of D is equals to 12. Sorry, 2. The value of D will be 2. Why? Because here D will be 2 minus 2. Why? Because 12 by minus 6 is minus 2, right? So in the same way, what they have given, we have to find which term of an arithmetic progression is 0. Which term of an arithmetic progression is 0. So here they have given a nth term is 0, right? So a plus n minus 1 into d. Here this term will be 0 plus a value will be, we have to find. In order to find the value of a, by substituting this any of the equation, we get the value of a. So before the substituting the value of a n as 0, we have to find the a term, right? So a plus 2d is equals to 4 is the given first equation in the equation. So a plus 2 into, what is the value of d, is minus 2, is equals to 4. A minus 4 is equals to 4. A will be 8. A will be 8. So minus 4, when it goes to this side becomes plus 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So we got the value d and a. So what we have to find? We have to find t nth term is 0. Or a n is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So 0 is equals to, what is the value of a? 8 plus n, we don't know, n minus 1 into, what is the value of d, is minus 2 by substituting this. So 0 is equals to 8 plus 8, n into minus 2 is minus 2n, minus into minus it becomes plus, 1 into 2 is 2. So 0 is equals to 8 plus 2 is 10 minus 2n. So here when it comes to the minus 2n, when it comes to other side, 2n is equals to 10, and the value of n will be 5. Hope this is visible. N will be 5. In the same way, 10th one. The question is, if 17th term of an arithmetic progression exceeds its 10th term by 7, find the common difference. Find the common difference. Common difference we have to find. So here 10th one, this is a basic general concept. So here what is there? The 17th term of an arithmetic progression. So T17 is a plus 16d, right? Yes, put it aside. And 10th term of n, T10 is equals to a plus 9d, right? So this is the first equation, this is the second equation. This is the first equation and the second equation. So here we know that these both T17 minus T6, so T17 minus T10 exceeds by 7, okay, exceeds by 7, so equal to 7. So a plus 16d minus a plus 9d is equals to 7, right? So this exceeds this in the given question. So here we can say that a and a get cancelled, a minus a, 16d minus 9d, so 16d minus 9d is equals to 7, okay. 16 minus 9 is 7d is equals to 7, so the value of d will be 1. So the value of d will be 1. So therefore the common difference between these two is 1. Okay, the common difference between these two is 1. When it comes to 11th one, in the given question it is given that which term of an arithmetic progression 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term. So same as the previous question here, it is given that what is the arithmetic progression 11th one. The given arithmetic progression is 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on will be 132 more than its 54th term. So the given is an arithmetic progression. So for that we have to find it. So T1 is equals to A is equals to 3, T2 is A plus D is equals to 15, D will be 15 minus 3, so the value of D will be 12. So the value of D will be 12. So we know that AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. What is the value of AN? Is we don't know. The value of A will know 3 plus N minus 1 into what is D is 12. What we have to find? T54th term, right? Yeah, T54th term. So T54 is equals to 54 minus 1 into D. So 3 plus 53 into 12. 3 plus 53 into 12. What is the value? $636. So will be 639 will be T54. So what is the given question? A54 is 132 less than that given number, it's good. Okay, sorry, 132 more than 54th term, last term. So the last term, that is AN. Fourth term will be 639 plus 132 more than, right? So 771 is the answer. A54. So A in the term we have to find. A in the term will be AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So 771 is equals to A is 3 plus N minus 1 into what is the given value? D. D. So 771 is equals to 3 plus 12n minus 12. 771 is equals to 12n minus 9. 12n is equals to 771 plus 9. 780 is 12n. N is equals to 780 divided by 12. That is 65. That will be N is equals to 65 is the answer. So the value of N, the last term is 65. Okay, 65. 12th problem. It is given that two APs have the same common difference. The common difference, their 100th term is 100. And what is the difference between those 1000th term? Okay. So here they are given the first term. Common difference of the 100th term is 100. 1000th term is we have to find. Okay. So for that, what is given? Let the given equation is in AP. A1, these two given equations are in AP. So the common difference of the AP, we have the common difference is D. First term is A in such a way that in order to find the anth value, what is anth value? An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is the anth value? So A100 A plus 100 minus 1 into D, that is equals to A plus 99 into D, A plus 99 into D. So, and 1000th term, A1000 is equals to A plus 1000 minus 1 into D, A plus 999 into D. Okay, A1000 term is A plus 999 into D. So the second that of the arithmetic progression, we know that the difference between these two terms is 100 they have given. Okay, therefore we know that A plus 99D, okay, minus A plus 99D is equals to 100, right? It's equal to 100, right? Given 100th term of an arithmetic progression, difference common difference is 100. So therefore A1 minus A2 is equals to 100. Let's suppose the 1000th term of an arithmetic progression, A plus 999D minus A plus 999D is equals to, what is that? A1 minus A2 minus A1, right? So that will be equal to, by equating the difference between A2 minus A1 will be 100. A2 minus A1 will be 100. Okay. So we know that this, the difference between 1000 term of an EP will be 100. 100, the 1000 term of an arithmetic progression will be 100. So here after the exceeding the 1000th term, so 100. Okay. Common difference will be 100. 1000 will be, common difference will be 100. In the same way, multiples we have to find. Here it is given the multiples of 4 in between 100 and 10 and 50, 14th one. Here it is given that 14th problem. In the 14th problem, it is given that the 4, how many multiples of 4 lies in between 10 and 250? Multiples of 4. Multiples of 4. Okay. The next multiple of 4 will be 16 in such way. So here 10 తర్వాత వచ్చి multiply into 16 కదా. Okay. In that way 10, 12, 16 అంట. So in between 10 and 250, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, this is sequence. The first multiple after the value 10 will be 12. After 12 it will be multiples of 4, 16 in such a way. So we can write the given series as 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. Okay. Divisible in between 250. Last term is 250. Will be 250. It should be divided by 4. It doesn't go. So in the same way, 250 minus 2 will be 248. 248 divided by 4 will be, it is there. 2 2 is a 2 12 1 4 is a 2 64 is a 62. So 62. So therefore, here 248 will be the answer. 248. So here it will be divisible by 4, right? So this last term will be 248. Understood? 248. 248. Why 248? Before 250. Before 250. What is the value which is exactly divisible by 4? That will be 249, 248, 247. So here 248 will be exactly divisible by 4. So 248 divided by 4 under 2 2s are 2 124s are 2 1s are 2 62s are. So 62. So it's exactly divisible by 4. So therefore 248 is the last term. We got it. So then here this is the given series. Okay, find the n number of terms in the given equation we have to find. Okay, what is the n value? So therefore n is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So for that t1 is equals to a is equals to 12, t2 is a plus d is equals to 16. The common difference will be t2 minus t1. What is t2 is 16 minus what is t1 is 12 again. So it will be 4. So common difference will be 4. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula. So what is an? 248 is equals to what is the value of a? Is 12 plus n minus 1, we don't know n value. Between terms we don't know, right? So n. D value will be 4. So 248 is equals to 12 plus 4n minus 4. 248 is equals to 4n plus 8. So 4n equals to 248 minus 8. So 4n is equals to 240. N is equals to 60. N is equals to 60. Okay. And next 15th one. 15th problem we will cover in the next video. Okay. Yeah, we'll cover in the next video.